Hi team. Today I'm going to explain about Cryotos landing experience. Okay, in Cryotos we provide different type of landing experience, mostly to add enterprise based logging feeling for our end user. Okay, to do that, what we have, it's like we provide their own subdomains for them, like their organization name comes here. Okay, and then their organization logo will get displayed whenever they do a login. Okay, and they could do username and password based login. So the only thing is, when they provide username and password, we do a highly encrypted way of communicating the particular username and password via our cloud environment. Okay, it's a highly secured. We are using JWT based authentication as well. And then we also support OAuth authentication, especially to connect with their single sign-on using their Azure environment, and as well as Google and Okta. Okay, if they want to easily enable their Azure-based login for their single sign-on, then it would be very easy. Okay, all they need to do is going to their Entra, okay, Microsoft Entra version, and then they have to select their enterprise application. Okay, and then here they have to choose the new app. It will always redirect to browse Microsoft Entra Gallery. We already provided our own package inside Microsoft Entra Gallery, so that would be really helpful for you to configure your application. Okay, that is configure your SSO into Cryotos. In that way, whoever use your organization credentials, they could easily log in into Cryotos, and it would be just a two-step process. And that's the way we use our login experience for all the enterprise client. Thank you.